The RiskMakeInput function. 66. Place a cursor on top of cell N13 and click on the Insert Function button of At-Risk's ribbon. Go to Other Functions, Miscellaneous, RiskMakeInput function. The following dialog appears. Excel will wrap around the previous sum formula with the RiskMakeInput function. When clicking OK, the cell should look like this. Equals RiskMakeInput, open parenthesis, sum, open parenthesis, B13 to M13, close two parentheses. 67. Now, always on top of cell N13, edit the cell with Excel's F2 function in order to add a secondary risk name function. Write the subfunction, close parenthesis, comma, risk name, open parenthesis, A13, close parenthesis, between the last two parentheses. When finished the addition with enter, the function will look like this. Equals RiskMakeInput, open parenthesis, sum, open parenthesis, B13 to M13, close parenthesis, comma, risk name, open parenthesis, A13, close two parentheses. 68. Copy and paste this cell down for the whole range N13 to N15. And also copy it again and paste it for the range N20 and N22. This will create artificial or synthetic input variables for each one of the 5 variables: number of contracts, hours per contract, hourly fee, fixed payroll, variable payroll, and general and administrative expenses. The RiskMakeInput formula specifies that the calculated value for formula will be treated as a simulation input, the same way as a distribution function. This function allows the results of Excel calculations, or a combination of distribution functions, to be treated as a single input in a sensitivity analysis, in other words, in a tornado graph. Therefore, the text on cell A13, number of contracts, becomes the name of this function. Chart titles and labels will use this newly defined name, replacing the implicitly defined name of the cell. The distributions that go before or feed into a RiskMakeInput function are not included in a sensitivity analysis of the outputs they impact. In this case, the respective PERT and Poisson distributions for each month are excluded of the tornado chart creation individually. This avoids double counting of their impacts, since only the summarized made input variables will be considered an input. 69. Now, we need to run a simulation again for at-risk to properly treat the changes we just made.